Good morning, this is Angela with Parker's Permaculture. Welcome back to Hausfrau Friday. Please turn on your subtitles for this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite pasta and pizza sauce that is packed with a diverse array of veggies from my garden. Since it's a hot summer day, I try to cook outdoors as much as possible to keep the kitchen cool. To some olive oil heated on a medium-high skillet, I'm going to add whatever fresh garden veggies I have. In this case, garlic, onions, and tromboncino, which has been shredded. This is my first year growing tromboncino in my garden, and I'm really enjoying cooking with it. It has a nice nutty flavor. If I didn't have it available in the garden, I would use any other shredded squash, even winter squash that I had around the house. The goal here is to soften and caramelize the veggies, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt and then cover them and cook on medium for about 10 minutes. You can see here that the onions, garlic, and tromboncino have all softened and begun to caramelize. Now it's time to add the other veggies, whatever is available in my garden. Today I am actually using tomatoes that I dried last year in my solar dehydrator that have been packed in olive oil. I am using roasted peppers from my garden that I froze over the winter and an entire zucchini that has been shredded. Altogether, I'm adding between 6 and 8 cups of whatever veggies I have on hand. It could be carrots, it could be tomatoes, it could be things I've preserved from last year. I'm going to go ahead and saute those all together, and then I'm going to add fresh greens from my garden. Whatever is handy, tree collards, bok choy, kale, you name it, and I'm going to chop it very finely and add it into the rest of the veggies. When you chop up your greens very finely, they become quite unobtrusive in the finished sauce, and I find my kids really appreciate that. Later in September, I'll be able to use almost entirely tomatoes from my own garden, but I do find a number 10 can of crushed tomatoes is perfect for this recipe. It fits perfectly in my crock pot, and it provides the kind of texture that we all really enjoy. To that, I'm going to add all of the sautéed veggies and then start in on the spices. Now I'm going to be adding the extra ingredients and herbs that really add a depth of flavor and complexity to the dish. I'll start with bay leaves, cracked black pepper, smoked Spanish paprika, garlic powder, and my own custom Italian herb blend using oregano, basil, and other herbs I've grown in the garden. I keep my old cheese rinds in the freezer, and I always put one into the sauce. It adds a lot of umami flavor, as well as some soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce, about 1 tablespoon. The brown sugar helps brighten the sauce and balance out the acidity of the tomatoes, and the nutritional yeast adds not only nutrition, but again, more of that deep umami flavor that I am looking for in the sauce. I also add my own balsamic reduction, which I make in the winter. I find this adds even more complexity. It's my secret ingredient, 1 to 2 tablespoons. I want to mix everything together thoroughly, and then I am going to cook everything in the crock pot, again, out back so I don't heat up the house, for 12 hours on low. It's really important that this cooks slow, low, and long so that all of the flavors marry and you get a much more rich flavor of the sauce. If you were to cook this quickly, it would not have the kind of wow factor that it has. After 12 hours, you can see the finished sauce is a deep orangey red color. It has a lovely smoky quality to it. All of the flavors have married together, and the sauce is thick and delicious, but those vegetables have broken down and blended into it. The texture is wonderful. We can use it to make pizza. I can use it on pasta dishes. I love to fry up some sausage and some veggies and put this sauce over it for dinner. My kids absolutely love it. They want this homemade sauce over any store-bought sauce any day of the week. The finished sauce freezes very well. I'll make several batches of this, pop them in the freezer, and it will be something that we enjoy cooking with for the next year. Thank you for watching Hausfrau Friday today. Please click like and subscribe and check out my Patreon below. I'll be back for my permaculture garden next time.